Okay, and question 5 is just a slightly more difficult example than question 4. Express 7 take 2x take x squared in the form a times x plus b squared, and write down the values of a and b. Okay, similar to how I did question 4, you've got x plus b squared. You multiply it out, x squared plus 2bx plus b squared. So you've got a take away x squared plus 2bx plus b squared. That minus makes that minus x squared, makes that minus 2bx, and makes that minus b squared. Now, in order to make it look a little bit like this presentation there, where you have number x squared, all you do is you change the order. So that goes up to the front, a take b squared, remember it's a take b squared, take 2bx stays, and the minus x squared goes to the very end. Now we can actually, again, what we call compare coefficients. The coefficient of x for this one here is minus 2b. The coefficient of x here is minus 2. So minus 2b is minus 2. That means that 2b has to be 2, which gives you b to be 1. Here we have a take b squared, and here we have 7. So a take b squared has to be 7. We know that b is 1, so a take away 1 squared is 7. 1 squared is 1, so a has to be 8. 8 take 1 is 7, so a has to be 8. Okay, so part B, 7 take 2x take x squared is 8 take x plus 1 squared. That's me writing it out nice and formal. Okay, it asks you what's the maximum value. Well, the maximum value of is going to be 8, because that, a squared function, is always going to be positive. So you have 8 take away a positive number, it's always going to be less than 8. So the maximum that ever can be is 8, and that's in a particular point where x is minus 1. If x is minus 1 add 1 is 0. 8 take 0 gives you 8. Any other value of x, you're going to have a smaller overall value there.